expected. To do this, you'll need to add some dummy content in WordPress and make a few other adjustments. Let me show you some handy techniques. So let's switch over to the WordPress dashboard, and I'm going to add a new post. We're going to Post, Add New, enter in a title, yet another great post. Now let's switch over to Libsyn.com, one of my favorite lorem ipsum generators, and we'll generate, let's say, 3 new paragraphs. Then we'll copy those paragraphs back to our dashboard, paste them in, and publish. So now let's head back to Dreamweaver. And if you're already in live view like I am, you're going to turn live view off and then turn it on again. And here we see our new post being included. So that all seems to be working. There's good separation between the 2 articles. Let's turn on inspect mode here so that we can check that out. I'll hover over one of the paragraphs and then use the left arrow key to move up the DOM. So there's the div entry. There's the entire article. And here you can see that there is some yellow spacing below where it says posted in uncategorized. That's the margin that we've added that separates it. Everything is looking really great there. Now, let's focus on the sidebar for a moment. I'll just click to get out of inspect mode. The links to recent posts are definitely working, and the archives appear to be as well. However, we're only having 1 month showing, so we can't really be sure. Let's change the dates on one of the posts to check. Back to the dashboard. And since I'm in my second post here, I'm going to go ahead and click on Edit next to the Published line. And let's go ahead and change this to the previous year. You can't do it for the future because WordPress will not allow you to publish something that's dated in the future. So we'll click Update, back to Dreamweaver. So now let's toggle on and off live view again. And it looks like our archives are indeed working properly as well. Next, you may remember that the sidebar was set up with some default widgets, like the search and various archives that we see here. Let's customize the sidebar a bit to make sure that's all working properly. Back to the dashboard, and this time, let's go to Appearance, Widgets. Let's add in a calendar of the site posts, and I'll put that right below Search. Give it a title of Calendar. Click Save. Now back to Dreamweaver, and toggle live view on and off. Well, it looks like that functionality is in place. Finally, let's see where we are with the various links built into our page. For this, I'm going to go to the Live View Options menu and choose Follow Links Continuously. Now, if I just go to yet another great post and click on its title, I see the full post by itself. You'll notice that it's using the same layout, which, if you remember the WordPress template hierarchy discussed in Understanding the Basic WordPress Structure video, is exactly right. There are no additional page templates available, so everything defaults to the index.php theme layout. So your basic testing shows that everything's in order, and it also sets us up for the next task, expanding the theme to include additional content-specific pages.